Good morning, all of you. My name is Rakesh Shakur, and today topic is combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. DHTML combine HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive web experience. What is DHTML? DHTML, Dynamic HTML, is a term used to describe the use of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together to create dynamic and interactive web page. It goes beyond the static nature of traditional HTML by enabling elements to respond to user action, update content dynamically, and create visually engaging effects. HTML structure and content. Structure of HTML is HTML. Define the structure and content of a web page. Second, element. It uses tag to create elements like headings, paragraph, list, image, and forms. And content in HTML is responsible for organizing the content of a page in a logical and meaningful way. CSS, styling and presentation. Styling. CSS control the visual presentation of HTML elements. Presentation. It defines property like fonts, colors, size, spacing, and layout. Separation. CSS separate style forms, content, making website, maintain and updates. Interactive and behavior of JavaScript. Interactive. JavaScript add interactive to web pages allowing them to respond user action behavior. It enables animation, dynamic content, update, and user input processing. Functionality of JavaScript is JavaScript extend to web page, adding frame validation and exjas. Integrating of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML provides the foundation of the page structure and content, and CSS applying styling to element, defining their appearance and layout. JavaScript interact with HTML, CSS, dynamic and interactive effects. Dynamic web page manipulation. Modify content, update text, image, and other elements based on user action or data. Second, change styles. Alter CSS property to change element, appearance, layout, or animations. Control behavior. Element event hardly click, hovers, and form submission. Optimizing dynamic HTML performance. First, unify code. Second, optimizing images. Reduce images file size without compressing quality. Third, cache resources. Store frequently accessed data locally for faster retrievals. Fourth, lazy loading. Load images and other resources only. So, real world DHTML application, interactive form, dynamic validation, error messages, and user friendly interaction. Second one is animated transition, smooth page transition, and engaging visual effects. Third, dynamic content updates, real time data update, new feeds, and interactive maps. Fourth, responsive design, website that adapt to different screen size. So, today topic over. Thank